Alex here, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the Rhino plugin. Skema provides a crucial link between Rhino's flexible modeling environment and the more structured world of BIM tools like Revit. Your first step is to send site topography from Skema to Rhino. I'm going to send over site topography in two passes. First the terrain, then the surrounding buildings. Now I'm going to send over the terrain as a generic mesh just by hitting the send button. Now let's pop over to Rhino and check it out. So we'll give it a second to load, and you can see the imported OBJ file coming in, and the generic mesh has been generated within my Rhino modeling space. Now a little pro tip, if it just comes in as a generic mesh, you can change your view settings to be rendered, and then you'll get the actual underlay of the map from the site. Now that that part's done, I'm going to hop back to Skema to get the surrounding buildings that will create a fully fleshed out site model in Rhino. Same process as before. I'm going to select surrounding buildings and send them over as generic meshes, and then I'm going to pop back into Rhino. And very quickly we get the surrounding context buildings generated within my site terrain from Skema into Rhino. This integration works both ways, so that when you make any edits to the site or the context in Rhino, it will update in Skema. And this is a quick, sure way to get a design started in Rhino and use the connection between the two softwares.